Mile Bomber phone mounts are some of the best stocking stuffers you can ask for this season. With our large variety of products, we're gonna narrow down that list for you so you can make the best decision for your gift. Kicking off the list, we have our magnetic claw. The claw opens up to about 2 inches for those steel pipes if you're off-roading. With the adjustable claw, it can also mount to desks or shelves, so it makes it a very convenient and easy to use product for your phone. Next on our list is a very obvious winner. It's our Max. It does have magnets on both sides if you're not familiar yet. We do have our wireless charger, so it works with a lot of our magnetic mounts, and it comes with this magnetic plate on the back. It's all good to go. You're more than welcome to just get the claw. It still attaches on there, just as good. If you do decide to get the wireless charger, we do recommend getting the car charger as well. It'll be able to deliver the right wattage to your wireless charger so everything works properly. If you're looking for a gift for somebody who's more active, we also have our action camera mounts. So we do sell these individually now, or you can buy them as a bundle and you'll get all 3 mounts inside. And it does have a slot for your GoPro when you buy it. The action camera mounts come in 3 different varieties. The first one is the claw. So you would just attach the GoPro on top, and then same thing, about 2 inches to 1/4 of an inch right here. The other version is what we call the pivot, 90-degree angle here, and same magnet on the bottom. Look, it's an action cam wireless charger. Don't know what that would be used for, but you can do it. The last variation for the action camera series is the direct, very little guy right here, already smaller than the GoPro. Super easy, super small, out of the way. This is like a gift for those mountain bikers out there. It just has a small little dial on the back. Put your phone in, lock it in place, and there you go. You can just mount it to whatever you need to, jumping around, off-roading. This is the solution that we have for that. And if you're not looking for a phone mount, we do have our hats. We do have our magnetic koozie as well. These always make a great stocking stuffer. A lot of people attach it to their cars, a fridge, anything of this sort, and it makes it easy for you to get around. So comment down below what your favorite Mile Bomber product is and let other people know what they should be gifting this holiday season. Like and subscribe for more details about our products and any other information and promotions we have going on throughout the year. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.